Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm excited to talk about something really important, World Environment Day 2024. This year, it's not just about raising awareness, it's about taking solid action. Let's delve into what this day means and how you can be part of the Generation Restoration movement. World Environment Day takes place every year on June 5th. It's a day dedicated to fostering global awareness and action for the environment. But the 2024 edition is particularly special. Hosted by the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, this year's theme is Reviving Lands for a Brighter Future. It's all about combating land degradation, desertification, and building drought resilience. Why is this important? Well, as we speak, up to 40% of our planet's land is degraded. This affects half of the world's population and threatens about half of the global GDP. That's roughly $44 trillion. It's not just an environmental issue, it's a socio-economic crisis too. So, what's being done? Across the globe, from Geneva to Asia and the Pacific, experts and leaders are coming together to tackle these issues. They're discussing crucial topics like sustainable food production, circular water resource use, and drought-resilient urban development. But here's the exciting part. You can get involved too. This year, the Faith for Earth Coalition is empowering communities and individuals to take action. Whether you're driven by spiritual beliefs or just a love for our planet, there are countless ways to participate. From registering events to sending in video messages and joining global challenges, every action counts. And remember, this isn't just about one day. The UN Decade on Ecosystem Restoration runs from 2021 to 2030. We are part of a 10-year rallying call to protect and revive our ecosystems. It's a crucial part of achieving the Sustainable Development Goals and ensuring a sustainable future for all. So, as we approach World Environment Day, let's stand together. Let's be the generation that restores and revives our land. Join the movement, spread the word, and let's make a real difference. For more information on how you can get involved, check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and let's make World Environment Day 2024 a turning point for our planet. Remember, our land, our future. We are Generation Restoration. See you in the next video.